Wow.
Luna flew through the enchanted forest. Her wings sparkled like rainbows.
Hello, Bramble.
Well, hello, Luna. What brings you here?
She saw a big tree with green leaves. It was Bramble, the wisest tree in the forest. Luna landed gently on a branch.
I want to catch a shooting star, but I don't know where to find one.
Bramble chuckled, his leaves rustling.
Shooting stars are very rare, little one.
But I really want to catch one. I want to make a wish.
A wish? What would you wish for, Luna?
Luna closed her eyes.
I wish for everyone in the forest to be happy, she whispered.
Just then, a tiny light zipped past them.
Hey, that tickles, Bramble chuckled.
It was Glimmer, the mischievous firefly. He flew in circles, his light blinking.
Did someone say shooting star? He buzzed.
I want to find one. Can you help me, Glimmer?
Follow me, Glimmer chirped, darting off into the forest.
Luna quickly followed his twinkling light. They followed a trail of sparkling dust. It led them to a clearing. There, in the middle, lay a beautiful star. But it wasn't shining.
Hello? Are you a shooting star?
The star slowly took the form of a girl. She had long silvery hair and sad eyes.
I'm Stella. I fell from the sky.
You're a real star. She had never seen anything so amazing.
I wanted to grant wishes, but I fell before I could.
Luna felt sorry for Stella.
Don't worry. Maybe I can help you go back to the sky.
But how? I'm too weak.
Close your eyes and make a wish. A real wish from your heart. A real wish from your heart. A real wish from your heart.
Stella closed her eyes. She thought about her home in the sky. She thought about granting wishes, and she wished to go back. Suddenly, she started to glow, brighter and brighter.
Luna had to shield her eyes.
When the light faded, Stella was gone. High above, a new star twinkled in the sky. It was Stella, shining brighter than ever, and Luna knew deep in her heart that wishes could come true.